Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted photos after 60 days in Google Photos. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google Photos keeps deleted photos in the trash for up to 60 days if they were backed up. After that period, the photos are permanently deleted and can no longer be restored through Google Photos. So, let's get started. First, open Google Photos on your device. If prompted, sign in to your Google account. Next, tap or click on the Collections tab. Then, open the Trash or Bin folder. Here, you'll see photos and videos that have been deleted within the last 60 days. If the photo you're looking for is still in the trash, select it, then tap or click Restore. The photo will be returned to your Google Photos library and any albums it was previously in. However, if more than 60 days have passed and the photo is no longer in the trash, it has been permanently deleted from Google Photos. Unfortunately, Google Photos does not provide a way to recover photos after they have been permanently removed. If you previously backed up your photos to another service, saved them on your computer, or copied them to an external storage device, you may be able to restore them from that backup instead. To help prevent accidental data loss in the future, make sure backup is turned on and regularly keep an additional copy of your important photos on another device or cloud storage service. And that's it. You've learned what happens to deleted photos after 60 days in Google Photos and what recovery options are available. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Photos tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.